SUMPRODUCT can replace SUMIFs, COUNTIFs, and aggregates in a single formula, while handling conditions that those functions cannot. SUMPRODUCT with Boolean arrays counts records matching multiple conditions, including or logic that COUNTIFs cannot handle natively. The syntax is cleaner for complex criteria combinations. Calculating weighted grades, portfolio returns, or customer satisfaction scores becomes a one-line formula. Multiply the values array by the weights array inside SUMPRODUCT, then divide by the sum of weights. SUMPRODUCT can rank items within categories, find the nth largest value matching criteria, and perform conditional lookups that XLOOKUP alone cannot handle. 5 real-world problems, 5 SUMPRODUCT solutions. I solve each one step by step, showing how SUMPRODUCT outperforms the obvious approach in clarity and flexibility. SUMPRODUCT is the Swiss Army knife of Excel formulas. Master it, and you'll solve problems others think require VBA. Subscribe for more formula deep dives.